So this is the Flex impact driver with a 6 amp hour stacked lithium battery, Makita 40 volt impact driver with 4 amp hour battery, the Milwaukee M18 impact driver, and then this is the Makita XDT14 impact driver with 18 volt battery, XDT13 with 18 volt. So this one I just got and used it with 3-inch driving 3-inch wood screws, and this thing got super hot. And the battery is super heavy, so wrist fatigue is going to be a killer on this. Plus this eject button kind of gets caught when the bits are in there, and they were kind of hard to get out with the button. It's pretty fast, but this thing got really hot really fast. This has probably been my favorite impact driver. It's much smaller than this one, but it has been the biggest one, but it is super powerful and super fast. Never had a problem with this one. Doesn't get overheated, and the battery life will last all day. I've driven probably over 10,000 screws with this one. This one's done probably about the same amount. It gets hot pretty quick too, but it's really powerful and good. These two, this one's probably driven over 100,000 screws. This thing has been beaten up. This is really good. This has more features than this one, but they're both really reliable, and the batteries will last a fairly long time, probably a day or so, depending on what you're driving. I usually drive 3-inch starbit wood screws for building sets, and this has been my favorite one since I've gotten it. And this is another go-to that I give to people to use because it's super durable and reliable. And this one is like a more powerful, a little bit more compact version of that. But for the power and size, you can't beat the 40 volt with a 2 amp hour battery. It would be about like this big, but it's great. This one, I'm still gonna have to test a lot, but I'm kind of worried about how hot it gets. It really wasn't used much, and it's still super hot, but full battery. So we'll see. This one probably gets, Milwaukee stuff tends to get hot really fast compared to Makita stuff, and the battery life is horrible compared to Makita, especially recharging the batteries. So this is the fastest at recharging. This is second. 40 volt stuff charges really fast, and then Makita 18 volt, and then Milwaukee. Milwaukee is so slow at charging. This will be fully charged in 45 minutes. These will be charged in probably 45 minutes to an hour. And this, supposedly a 6 amp hour, will take like 35-40 minutes to fully charge on a rapid charger, which is really nice. So, and then the DeWalt battery on this little charger takes forever.